This helicopter looks like it's starting a wildfire, but it's actually trying to stop one. Wildfires spread fast, covering huge areas in no time, and sometimes there aren't enough firefighters to stop it head-on. So what do? They fight fire with fire. It's called a backfire, a small, controlled burn started on purpose in the path of the bigger wildfire. It burns up all the fuel, like grass, leaves, and trees, before the real fire gets there. And when the wildfire finally arrives, there's nothing left to burn.